In front of me is XIAOMI Mi Mix 2S, and let me show you how to locate IMEI and serial numbers on the following device. So first of all, we can open IMEI numbers via secret code. To do it, just open your phone dealer and now enter a secret code, which is *pound 06 pound. And here you've got IMEI numbers right here. Tap on OK to close it, and then you can also open them via settings. So at first just open the settings, then click on About Phone, and here go to All Spets right here. And if you will go a bit lower, you will be able to click on Status, where you will find everything. So IMEI numbers, and if you will click on Model and Hardware, you can read serial number as well. So this is it. That would be all. This is how you can locate unique numbers assigned to your XIAOMI Mi Mix 2S. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.